Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ethical hacking. If you've ever been curious about how hackers think and operate, or if you want to learn how to protect yourself and your organization from cyber threats, you're in the right place. Ethical hacking is all about understanding the mindset of malicious hackers, but using that knowledge for good. It's a skill set that empowers you to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks, helping to safeguard sensitive information. In a world where cyberattacks are becoming increasingly common, ethical hackers play a crucial role in defending against these threats. So, how do you get started? First, it's essential to build a solid foundation in networking and security principles. Familiarize yourself with the basics of how systems communicate and the common vulnerabilities that exist. There are plenty of online resources, courses, and communities dedicated to ethical hacking that can guide you through this learning process. Once you have a grasp of the fundamentals, you can explore various tools and techniques used by ethical hackers. Tools like Wireshark, Metasploit, and Nmap are just a few examples that can help you analyze networks and identify weaknesses. Remember, the goal is to think like a hacker while adhering to ethical guidelines. As you progress, consider obtaining certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker CEP or Offensive Security Certified Professional OSCE. These credentials not only enhance your skills, but also boost your credibility in the field. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this introduction to ethical hacking inspires you to explore this exciting and vital area of technology. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content. Stay curious and keep learning.